Hello, this is Tammy from Flagstaff, Arizona Living, and today we're in the beautiful town of Sedona, which is just 30 miles south of Flagstaff. There's actually snow here and it's so beautiful. It's something we don't really get to see very often, and I just wanted to show you these beautiful views right here. This is this beautiful cul-de-sac that we're in. Lots of people walking their dogs today. So come with me and let's go see a few different houses in a few different price ranges. And don't forget to like and subscribe my page. Tap the bell for notifications. This home behind me is $1.97 million. It's 3-bed, 3-bath, and 3,200 square feet. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at those views behind. I can only imagine what it's like inside. And it's a really, this is actually a gated community. All of these beautiful views. Sedona is always a good time. Wow, these have really big windows. It looks like they've got 3 sections of blinds inside their windows just to try to cover up how big those windows are. But that just means lots and lots of beautiful fresh light. I really like this house next door to it, the gray one. I think that is so pretty. So it's definitely a beautiful view. The things people do in Flagstaff are like crystals, art, hiking. There's vortexes here where all of your chakras are supposed to be aligned. There is Oak Creek where people like to go swimming. And here's another view of these snow-capped mountains right there. Up in Flagstaff, which is 30 miles north, there's like 3 feet of snow. So it's really nice just to have a little dusting down here. There are some javelina just walking around the neighborhood. This is what you get in Sedona. Wild pigs or boars or whatever they are. And they smell bad and they're territorial. So you want to be careful when you see them. Give them lots of space. Do not try to pet them or feed them. All right, this home behind me is $1.3 million. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's 2,100 square feet. You can see all of the beautiful peaks behind it. And it's in this really cute little neighborhood where we just saw a bunch of javelina. They walked out of here and walked over there. It looked like it was their trail, kind of like they own the place. So javelina are everywhere. I film down here in Sedona, even though I live up in Flagstaff. And the time that I see javelina the most is when I'm here in Sedona, which I think is really funny. They kind of just seem like they're not real animals because we don't see them very often. They're territorial, they smell really bad, so you just have to be careful. You don't want them getting into your garbage and making your home their home. This beautiful home behind me is $2.173 million, 4-bed, 4-bath, and it's 4,300 square feet. It's tucked away into this really pretty cul-de-sac, and there's these beautiful views right here. It is so quiet and peaceful. I can only imagine what kind of views are going to be inside. So that concludes our tour of Sedona today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these beautiful homes and the neighborhoods. Don't forget to like and subscribe my page. Tap the bell for notifications. I put out about 3 new videos every week. And if you guys have any requests, if you'd like to know anything about Sedona, Flagstaff, Williams, let me know and I'm happy to help you guys. Have a great day. Bye.